Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered about using your own trading software in a prop firm, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the key considerations, policies, and strategies you need to know before making that move. By the end of this video, you'll be armed with the knowledge to enhance your trading experience and boost your performance. So, let's get started. Not all prop firms allow the use of personal trading software. Always check the specific policy of the firm you're considering. Some may require you to use their proprietary platforms designed for optimal performance. Using your own software can enhance your comfort level and allow for tailored setups that fit your trading style. However, remember that proprietary systems often come with features aimed at improving risk management and efficiency. Always ensure you comply with any guidelines set by the firm to avoid disruptions in your trading. Ensure your software works seamlessly with the firm's systems. Compatibility is crucial for smooth trading operations. Ask the firm about any necessary approvals or compatibility checks. Prop firms prioritize efficiency, so integrating your software should not create any bottlenecks. Discuss security measures with the firm to protect against potential risks when using external software. Customized software can boost your trading performance by aligning with your strategy and making data analysis easier. Seamless integration reduces the risk of technical glitches that could disrupt your trades. Understand any limitations that might come with using your software to avoid negative impacts on your trading. Ensure your software meets the firm's functional requirements. Your software should align with the firm's risk management protocols to maintain effective control. Keep communication lines open with the firm to understand any restrictions or additional requirements regarding your software. Follow the prop firm's guidelines for using personal software to ensure compliance. Before implementing your software, ensure it undergoes necessary security checks. Leveraging your personal software can provide tailored features that enhance your trading performance. To wrap up, understanding the policies and compatibility of your personal trading software in a prop firm is essential for optimizing your trading experience. Prioritize communication with the firm, adhere to their guidelines, and always focus on aligning your software with effective risk management practices. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore how to effectively manage risk in prop trading. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!